welcome back for another video. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Regina here. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be doing a clean with me. This kitchen is a absolute disaster. My kitchen is, I feel like it's always a disaster, child. Anyway, we're about to get into it. I'm gonna give you all a little overview of what we're doing and how it looks, and hopefully I can do this in 30 minutes. Let's see.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely.
Alright y'all, I like to pull out my, let me turn this light on. There we go. I like to pull out my stove at least, I need to clean the top of this too, at least once a month. Just because crumbs, even though I have those crumb guards, even though I have the crumb guards, crumbs will still fall between the stove. And then a lot of times it's not even falling between here. It's the crumbs are like dropping on the floor and they're getting kicked underneath the stove. So I have a few crumbs, not a lot. I'm gonna show y'all. So there's a few, not much, thank God, but.
Something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good, know it's all love. trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel or what I do, yeah, I keep on wasting time. And I'm just here until there's something new. Although it feels so right, yeah. Guess it's nothing left for me to do. Back to the tears tonight. I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Oh yeah. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up. Yeah. Sometimes I am lying to myself, yeah. Because I need some time. It's a process I am in, yeah. And I will walk the line.
All right, I'm going to pour my matcha into my next mug. It was dirty, which is why I wasn't using it. I love this thing. It keeps your coffee or tea. You can either have it warm, hot, or piping. Love this. It comes with the top, but I don't know what I did with the top. I think it's up in this cabinet, actually. And I like to keep mine on warm. Believe it or not, warm keeps it very hot.
And I'm just here until there's something new, yeah. Although it feels so right. Although it feels so right. Guess it's nothing left for me. Guess it's nothing left for me to do. Back to the tears tonight. Oh, I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up. I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Keep it on the low, yeah. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up.
All right, y'all, so the dishwasher has an hour and 10 minutes left. If you're wondering what I was using earlier in this bottle, this is just bleach that I put in here, and I put a little bit in my dishwasher. I just poured in the bottom of the basin and just let it run. So I'm gonna go ahead and steam out my floor before the kids get out of school and wipe down the appliances, and girl, we are done.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no living free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water parasite, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody.
So here they are. You have this piece can like scrape off like labels and things like that. And there's a round piece like this. A little nozzle. And then it's kind of gross, y'all. This piece here, you can use it to get in the grout. I think I'm gonna use this today to get around my toilet because I need to re-caulk around it because it looks gross. But yeah, that's the accessories.
Moody.
trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing.